So we have one more subscriber's Christmas wish to make come true. And that is for a mother of 5 to receive a Jeffree Star mystery box because she could not afford one any other way. And not only is she going to be receiving this, but we are actually going to be taking it to her. So we're going to see her reaction live and on camera. And I'm so excited, you guys. Hey everybody, Alexandra here, and I can't even tell you guys how excited, how nervous, how appreciative. I mean, I just have so many feelings about today's video. I have butterflies in my stomach right now. I feel like I'm gonna be sick, but it's like a good feeling, you know what I'm saying? So we are gonna be doing something that I have never seen done on any other channel before. So we might be making YouTube history. I'm not really for sure if another channel has done it, but I've never seen it done. And I'm excited, but I'm really nervous. So if you're new, let me give you a little bit of a backstory because, you know, I don't want you to be lost. But if you want more details, I'm going to put it in the description box because I really just want to get right on into this thing. Okay, so a couple of months ago, I unboxed the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. It was the first ever Jeffree Star box I had ever gotten. I am just a huge Jeffree Star fan. I ended up getting this amazing tracksuit. I ended up crying halfway through the video. It was just crazy. I was so appreciative. I know a lot of people made fun of me for it, but I don't care. I was really, really happy. And you guys, that video blew up. I never expected it in a million years. It got 391,000 views. And because of you guys and because you all watched that video and watched my commercials, my family was able to have a Christmas this year. We had some unforeseen tragedies and things go on, and because of that, we were kind of really stressing about how we were going to take care of Christmas. And because you guys watched that video, because 391,000 of you all watched that video and watched my commercials, we were able to have a Christmas this year. So I wanted to give back to you guys, and I wanted to give back in a big way. I knew there was no way I could repay 391,000 of you guys, but you guys know me, I'm gonna try. So we did a 20K subscriber appreciation video last month. Oh, we did so many amazing things with that video, and I'm so thankful for it. But we still have one more Christmas wish to grant, which has to do with this box right here. So if you guys are ready, let's get into this. Okay, so inside that ginormous pink box that I just showed you guys are these two boxes right here. I am so excited to see what is going to be in these boxes and what one of you guys are going to be getting. All right, so we're going to open this medium one first. I did try to get all three of them, but they sold out really, really fast this time, like even faster than last time. All right. Are you guys ready? Okay, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is a skin frost, and this is in the color Ice Cold. Okay, so I'm gonna open it from the bottom, and I'm not gonna swatch this because this is going to somebody. So, oh my God, that is so gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking gorgeous and huge. I would just like to compare here. So this is the Supreme Frost and this is the Skin Frost. Do you guys see a size comparison here? Holy smokes. All right, let's see. The next item here we have is the infamous stickers. So we heard a lot of drama about these stickers, but I gotta give mass props to Jeffree Star because, I mean, he refunded everybody who got the small box. Everybody. Plus they got their boxes. I don't know any other company, any other person, influencer that would do that. Oh my God, you guys. The Blue Blood palette. Holy she is gonna freaking freak out, you guys. I am so happy that I'm so happy that they put, she is gonna love this, you guys. I mean, I would have loved this. Oh my God, are you ready for this? Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't even wait. I cannot even wait. I can't wait. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, are you ready? So this must be one of the mystery shades right here. It's got a little stocking on the end, and I'm so excited to see what it is. Ooh, that is gorgeous. So look, I've been complaining that we've been getting a lot of reds in mystery boxes, but do you see this? I would just like to point this out. This is a different red. This is not like every other red. This is a beautiful, sparkly red. This is, what was that color that he did that was like this? Let me know down below. If you know what color I'm talking about, I cannot remember the name now, but he did a color just like this, and this looks exactly like it. And doesn't have the name or anything on the bottom. I wish it did. It just got a little stocking. That is so stinking adorable. All right, so the next one is called Mermaid Blood. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, all right. And one thing I love about Jeffree Star's Velour liquid lipsticks is you can use them for a eyeliner, you can use them for a lip liner, you can use them as a lipstick. There are just so many things you guys can use them for. All right, so I'm gonna set this to the side and we are going to unwrap the next box. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. Oh my God. So I gotta tell you guys, my daughter for Christmas bought me this shirt in the red. She's wrapping it upstairs right now as you guys are watching this. Like, holy cow. All right, hang on a minute. Here we are. Here's the shirt, and I'm so excited because it literally says iconic right here on my butt because it's iconic. I'm just kidding, but seriously though, are you guys ready? You guys know how I feel about his straws, and oh my God, look. Oh my God, it's one of his straws, but it literally looks like a candy cane. Oh my God, I'm gonna love this. I don't even have a drink down here. I wish I had a drink down here. I'm gonna say the same thing that I said last time. I'm not washing this just in case it might have touched Jeffree's hand. Get a little bit of his greatness in it. All right. I know you guys are probably thinking I'm really stupid right now. I don't care. All right, so I got the stickers too. Yay. Okay, and I got, ooh, this is another Supreme Frost, and this is in Candy Apple Drip. So I'm actually gonna let her choose. If she would rather have this one than that one, I'm gonna let her pick which one she wants because, you know, it's only fair. She gets first choice. All right, which she's probably gonna pick the other one, but look at that. Oh my God, that is beautiful. And I'm not mad. I would be happy with either one because that is absolutely gorgeous. But she might rather have a Supreme Frost. I mean, you never know. Some people are like that, but that is okay. All right, the next thing we have here is, this one is called Soft Serve. This is called Soft Serve, and same thing with this. If she would rather have one of these, because this looks really, really, really close to, let's see here. Oh, not dead on. Okay, it's not dead on. So this is Oh My God, and this is Soft Serve. So this is like a little more peachy, and this is a little more pink. So if she would rather have this lipstick than the green one or teal one, again, I don't care. I am not stingy. I'm going to let her pick what she wants. So we'll let her unbox the box, and then I'll be like, and you have choices. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. All right, the next color, Ooh, okay. So this right here is called First Class. Tell me that doesn't look just like Shane's color. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. That is going to make a gorgeous eyeliner. Gorgeous eyeliner. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Next, is this what I think it is? This is the only item, if it's what I think it is the only item that I am for sure keeping. Yes, it is. It's the peppermint frost. And this is the biggest reason that I really wanted this box for this right here. And there was a lot of drama with this right here too, you guys. A lot of drama. Oh my God. It literally smells just like a candy cane. I cannot even tell you guys. Oh my God. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so here is, having problems here. Okay, so here is chocolate ice. Okay, and then this one is ugly sweater. Oh my gosh. And then this one is igloo gold. Oh, baby. Ooh. And they literally smell just like a candy cane. Holy smokes. Okay, the last item that we have in here, I wonder what it's gonna be. Ooh, it's his thirsty palette. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, are you ready? And same thing with this. I'm going to let her choose between the two palettes. If she would rather have the Thirsty or the Blue Blood, she gets choice. But I'm going to show you guys because I'll be happy with whatever. Oh my God, this is absolutely gorgeous. And his shadows are just bar none the best shadows I have ever used. Okay, you guys, I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in these boxes. I'm going to try to kind of wrap them up the best I can. And then we are going to drive over to her house and we're going to let her unbox the medium box. So she is going to unbox it on camera with you guys. And then after she unboxes it, then I'm going to be like, okay, so now you get choices. Do you want to keep those products or do you want to trade them with some of the products that I have? Because she can trade either the lipsticks for mine or the Skin Frost or the palette. She can have whatever she likes. The only thing I am for sure going to keep is this right here. Obviously a set of the stickers and the Jeffree Star straw. That's the only things I am for sure keeping, but everything else she gets choice on. So if you guys are ready, let's go to her house.